Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM or SD tray. This prevents shorts and accidental input. Next, use an ESD strap and place the phone on a clean, well-lit surface so you can see tiny screws. Once ready, apply a suction cup near the screen edge and gently lift while inserting a plastic pick to separate the frame. This relieves adhesive without cracking the glass. Make sure to keep screws organized by step, so reassembly is predictable. You should always disconnect the battery connector first to eliminate power while you work. This reduces risk of shorting the logic board. Then carefully release the display and digitizer flex cables. Note which cable is which, because they look similar but serve different functions. Once disconnected, transfer small parts like the earpiece, proximity sensor, and front camera to the new assembly, aligning adhesive and connectors exactly. If adhesive is stubborn, use a bit of isopropyl and light heat to soften it before pulling. This preserves cables, and you now reconnect the display and then the battery, but do not fully tighten all screws. Partially seating them lets you test before final torque. Power the phone on and run checks. Test the touchscreen across the whole panel, verify cameras and proximity sensor, and watch for any remaining vertical or horizontal lines. If lines persist, power down and reseat the display and digitizer cables. Improper seating causes artifact lines. If reseating fails, replace the display assembly again. A faulty panel can be the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.